Hi, it's your favorite nurse, Nurse Peju. Let's talk about tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. This little bottle packs a serious punch. Today I'm sharing 5 awesome ways I use it, from skincare to first aid. Let's start with skincare and beauty. I have struggled with breakouts, and tea tree oil is my go-to spot treatment. Just mix a drop with your moisturizer or a carrier oil, dab it on a blemish, and let it work its magic. It's known for its antibacterial powers, and it calms redness fast. Next up, hair and scalp care. I've dealt with a flaky scalp. Adding a few drops of tea tree oil to my shampoo made a huge difference. It soothes irritation and helps with dandruff, leaving my scalp feeling fresh and clean. Seriously, it's like a spa treatment at home. Now, nail and foot care. If you get brittle nails or funky smelling feet, tea tree oil can help. I make a simple foot soak, warm water, a bit of Epsom salt, and a few drops of tea tree oil. It's refreshing, and it keeps my toenails healthy. Plus, it tackles that after-gym foot odor. Number 4, aches, arthritis, and inflammation. After a long day, my joints sometimes ache, so I mix tea tree oil with a carrier oil and massage it onto sore spots. It helps ease tension and soothes inflammation. Remember, never use it straight, always dilute it. Last, household and first aid. Tea tree oil is a staple in my cleaning kit. I add a few drops to a spray bottle with water to wipe down surfaces, cuts and scrapes. After cleaning the wound, I dab on a diluted mix to help keep things clean. So, 5 ways: skincare, scalp, nails and feet, aches and pains, and even cleaning up around the house. Just remember, tea tree oil is powerful. Always do a patch test and never swallow it. If you found these tips useful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know how you use tea tree oil in your daily routine. It's your favorite nurse, Nurse Peju. Thanks for watching.